Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is around the corner. Today we are making the famous smashable chocolate heart. So what you do for this one is that you melt some chocolate, you put it in a heart mold, whether it be a mini one or a bigger one, and then you go ahead and give it a good smash, and you could put little chocolates or little surprises inside. So get your mallets ready or hammers and let's smash some hearts. All right, you guys, here's everything that you're gonna need to make this smashable heart. Of course, you're gonna purchase a silicone, very flexible mold. I'll have the link down below for this. Next, you're gonna get some chocolate. Now, I have candy melts. We have the pink and the white. If you wanna use some chocolate to make like a brown heart, you can also do that. But I think that this turns out so beautiful with the pink and the white. Next, you're gonna need some vodka. Now this is optional. We're just gonna coat the mold with this to make it nice and shiny. And the vodka is strictly to coat the bottom of the mold. It won't have any effect. Also get a mallet or a hammer, of course, to break the heart. And I'm gonna use some bowls to melt our chocolate today. We're gonna start by melting our chocolate. So I'm gonna put a lot of this pink in here and just a little bit of the white. I don't need that much. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and melt these in the microwave. After 30 seconds, go ahead and stir and put it back in. All right, Caboodle fans, so 1 minute of defrosting, and this is what you get. It's nice and melty. I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side. Let's bring our heart and let's put some vodka on it. All right, go ahead and brush this on. Now again, you will not taste the vodka in this. This is gonna make the heart nice and shiny. All right, now let's pour in the chocolate. We're gonna start with the white. So with the white, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the spoon and just make lines back and forth. All right, you guys, now you can see this is gonna look really awesome. All right, now we're gonna take the pink and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all over. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it all in. And with the brush, it makes it so much easier to get like the corners. Don't be shy with the chocolate. And you guys, I'm gonna keep doing this until the chocolate kind of starts to thicken up. All right, you guys, now that you have all the sides covered, we're gonna pop this in the freezer until it hardens. All right, here it is out of the freezer. It's nice and hard. So I have melted more chocolate because I'm gonna do just another like thin layer. Just like on the sides, make sure they're thick enough. All right, now you can't see through any of these sides. Let's put it in the freezer again. All right, you guys, this is coming out of the freezer. We are all done with the chocolate. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna gently take the silicone and remove it from the sides of the chocolate right here, just very gently. All right, oh, this is gonna look so awesome. I'm just gonna keep going. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're very gently gonna peel this back. How absolutely gorgeous. Very gently. Wow, and do you guys see how shiny it is? That's what the vodka does. This looks really cool with kind of like how I did the chocolate in the beginning. It melts in with the pink. It has this almost kind of marble effect to it. I am simply obsessed with making these. Oh, I want to make more. All right, now that you have your heart made, go ahead and buy a box. You can buy a square white one. I just have this red one that I used for my flower. I filled it up with lots of candy, Hershey's Kisses. You could do whatever you want. You can even put maybe like flowers. And next, pick out something special, maybe like a note or more candy to put inside of this heart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these M&Ms. It has Happy Valentine's Day. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. And maybe some suckers with little lips on them. And some pink yummy Reese's. Now take your chocolate heart, I absolutely love this, and put it right on top. All right, how absolutely awesome does this look? We've got our beautiful chocolate heart on top of lots and lots of candy and a little surprise inside. All right, you guys, I'm gonna take my mallet and we are gonna start smashing some hearts. Are you all ready? I really wanna see how well this smashes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, whoa. Wow, that was a good feeling. And then whoever you're gifting it to can look inside to see the surprise and then eat the chocolate too. Smells so good. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching this smashable Valentine's heart. This was so fun, yet simple to do. I hope you try it out at home. And until next time, bye.